Hey guys, it's Russell back, and on today's video, and the video that you're about to see, I'm going to show you how I took a pair of really cheap wiper blades, about the cheapest I could find, and I'm going to show you how to use this Aerospace 303 protectant to make those wiper blades last a really long time. How long? That I don't know, but I can tell you this. I only get about 6 months or so out of a set of wiper blades on cars that sit outside in the elements all the time. Part of it is due to the ozone in the air, some of it's due to the, or a lot of it's due to the UV radiation from the sun. It degrades the rubber. Now these are rubber wiper blades. These are the most cheap kind that you can get. There are a lot of wiper blades out there that have a high silicone content. Those wiper blades are very expensive and they will last a lot longer. However, I have tried the most expensive blades I could ever find, and they were super high silicone. Maybe I got a year out of them. One of the best blades that I've used are the actual factory Honda blades. Now, this isn't about the Honda blades, but this is about making your inexpensive, we're not going to say cheap, the inexpensive wiper blades last a really long time. So we're going to do a long-term test, and I know that I'm going to replace them on the truck. I know that I only get about 6 months out of them, and that's it before they start getting hard, they start chattering, and I keep the blades cleaned, and I'll show you how to do that when we do some maintenance on them in a follow-up video. But this stuff is phenomenal, and I'm going to see if I can extend the life of the wiper blades. My goal is to at least double or triple the life of the blade. So, enough talking. I'm going to show you how I'm going to do that now. Okay, so I've let the windshield wiper that we bought yesterday sit in the Aerospace 303. And what I'm going to do now is I'm just going to let the excess drip off for a little while and go ahead and reinstall these on the truck, and then we will do a little test and see how they wipe. They're brand new wipers, obviously, so I will kind of maybe do a long-term test if we can and just see how long these will last. So I typically only get about 6 months out of the wipers just because of the heat and the sun. The truck's always outside, so it's really harsh on rubber. So anyway, I will do that. I'm not going to do a video on how to install these. You guys know how to do that, and we will come back with a quick water test and see how these perform with the 303 on here. All right, we're going to test the wipers. Completely silent. That's the way wipers should operate. Let's let the sprinkler come back over. All right, here we go. No streaking, no noise. So that's how new wipers should operate, regardless of whether you put the 303 or not on them. But those wipers will be like that for a while. We're going to do a long-term test. Hopefully in 6 months or a year they'll be the same quality. And you do have to do a little bit of maintenance every month or so, wiping the blade down with isopropyl alcohol, and then just taking a little bit of 303 and put it on a paper towel and run it over the blade, and that's pretty much it. So hopefully it will stay like this for a while. Very pleased, and just goes to show you guys that you can make a cheap pair of wipers operate as an expensive pair would, like say Rain-X or something. All right, so here we are. We are 3 weeks after I had done the initial 303 protectant portion of the video, and I wanted to show you guys how I maintain the wiper blades. So I've just got a spray bottle here of 303 protectant. And all I'm going to do is I'm going to put some on a paper towel that I have folded. And I'm simply going to take each blade and wipe the protectant on the blade, and I'm going to show you what's going to come off. There is a little bit of some traffic film, some of it's the rubber just sloughing off. But if you do this about once a month, maybe once every 6 weeks, that's it. I'm going to do it to the other blade, and that's how I'm going to, the protocol that I'm going to use to keep these wiper blades new. Again, as I said in the video, we're going for at least a year, maybe a year and a half on these blades. As long as they don't streak or have any weirdness to them, then that's what we're going to do. So that's where we're at, and I'm going to do follow-up videos, maybe one in 6 months and another in a year, and we'll just see how the blades are doing. You guys will find out as I find out. So guys, I appreciate your viewership. If you haven't subscribed, please do so. I've got a ton of other videos coming out, and just hit that subscribe button and the little bell next to it, and you'll be notified when I upload new content. And with that being said, I will see you guys on the next video.